Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Sheets app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to this list and all you have to do now just click here on notifications. Then you come to next step here, you just click here on following and followers here. When you just click on it, you come to next step here, come here to accepted follow requests. Just click here on. So like you see here, accepted follow requests enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.